Totoong gold ba to? Babakbakin ko na.
Everything changes.
On the left side, behind the trees, this is the Golden Mountain Temple. The Golden Mountain is the temple on the mountain. After that, the 10 years ago, 10 years after, that is the entrance to go inside. You can buy ticket inside. Yeah. And when you finish, you go out and you walk with along the road to turn back to the Wat Po.
First time moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see?
Magkano ang binayad? 900? Ay, maaga pa, wala pang tao. Sarado pa yan, 8:30 pa bukas. Pero bili na tayong ticket.
One long, angry line later.
Grabe ang daming sumingit sa pila. So nakapasok na kami sa Grand Palace and this has been the most popular tourist attraction dito sa Thailand. So nasa outer court pa lang kami at ang ganda ng view dito ng Temple of the Emerald Buddha.
Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget. But you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free.
So ito ang pila papunta sa ticket office. So 500 baht ang price ng isang ticket. Dahil maaga kami, hindi pa ganun karami ang mga tourists, pero pag late na, sobrang crowded daw ito. So pupunta kami dito sa likod na part para walang tao at makapag-picture kami. So meron palang gallery dito. Actually, these are the walls that surround the temple. So meron palang 178 panels dito sa gallery and they were originally painted noong 1783. So ito na yung pinaka-highlight ng Grand Palace. So ang tawag dito sa lugar na to ay Wat Phra Kaw. It is the temple of the Emerald Buddha. I was wondering if totoong gold nga ba ito.
Street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto the phone. And I wished I had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I tell her to look into my eyes and never let it go. Free to
thank you so much sa panonood sa aking mga vlogs. If you want to see more, just click the subscribe button and follow me on my social media accounts. Peace!